So we just bought this short sale and I want to walk you through the numbers. You can see how this thing works so you can get out there and do your own real estate deals, even during a pandemic. Today's episode is brought to you by PropStream, smart real estate software for investors, realtors, and brokers. PropStream offers marketing solutions, nationwide property searches, and comparable home sales, so you can see what the properties are selling for. They've got a bunch of cool filters you can use when you're trying to locate motivated sellers. Filters are right here, so we need to know how much do they owe on the property. What is the loan on it? You got to know this stuff. Are they in bankruptcy? Any type of liens against the property? Are they in divorce status? See right over here, I was doing a search. There's a HOA lien on that one. Ownership info. Whose name is on the title? You got to know that. Is it in pre-foreclosure or foreclosure? Has it ever been listed on the MLS? You can also use PropStream to find cash buyers in your area, houses that are vacant, and houses that have a bunch of equity. Those are the ones you want to target when you're looking for that big wholesale check. I've negotiated a discount for the Roundup family in the video description. There's a link. Get a discount with the membership, and you get 50 free pulls. Use PropStream to put your lists together and any other information you need for your real estate investing business. Hey, my Roundup family, we're here at our next flip. It was a short sale. You saw the short sale process and the paperwork. We're here with Smitty and Ron. I'm going to show you this little neighborhood. You see it looks quite welcoming. Houses are good. We've got open field there when you look out of the front door. Ron, what are you thinking about this paint?
This paint, trying to find a scheme that we like in the neighborhood and
Match it up?
match it up, yeah. I wouldn't go exactly what I like his scheme. I don't think
They got red here and red there. Blue. You know what? They might have a HOA thing here, Ron. You think we should check? It seems like they got the same blue.
And you got a blue
down red. Uh-oh, Ron, we might be up against something we didn't know about.
Yep.
Sometimes the HOA has, wow, there's another blue there.
You're right. At least for this side, it's like every other house.
Yep.
It's either, so you got blue, brown, blue, red, blue.
Blue up there. Leave it blue?
Brown, red, blue.
Just leave it. Man, I think we should at least paint the door white though, Ron. I don't know about that blue.
Yeah, we can paint the door white.
That door is nasty. All right, so we're leaving blue out here and the white. We're gonna do, what else with the exterior, Ron?
Little tree, bend the trees up a little bit.
Take the trees up some?
Yeah, a little minor landscaping.
Minor landscaping. How about that roof?
Roof needs some done.
So outside exterior total cost what? 5,000.
5,000.
All right.
And includes the roof.
Okay, that's a simple one. We're thinking our water lines are good coming to the house, Ron?
Testing those out now.
Okay. All right, what we got in here, brother? How about this door? Does that go?
Door goes.
Did you already price that out?
The door, yes, I did. I don't know. I think it was like $250 for the door itself.
Nice window or something?
Yeah, nice for the window. You get a little more sunlight in.
Gotcha. What we got in here?
Paint everything, flooring. I was thinking about going with an LVP or LVT, as they call it, like a luxury vinyl plank.
What does that look like, Ron?
It kind of looks like laminate, but it's plastic. It's a little less expensive than laminate.
Gotcha.
So just go with like a brown or a grayish or something a little more modern all throughout.
All right.
So
Brown and gray.
don't have an exact price on that, but he just left maybe like an hour ago
Okay.
to bid it out.
So just flooring, light fixtures in here,
Light
paint.
fixtures,
We're
yeah.
done.
That's it.
I love it.
Windows are all staying.
Yep. Windows stand.
Clean them up.
Pressure wash this. This is nothing here. I'm good with this. You can, I don't care. Round up, a small job. I'm hoping to get out of this under 25,000. We'll see what Ron says. What you thinking in the kitchen, my brother?
I would say flooring, paint the cabinets and replace the countertop, new appliances, new light fixtures, new hardware on the cabinets, and done with it.
Be done with it. Does the flooring come in and out? Does the flooring go all the way through, or you're going to separate it?
All the way through. Have it come out front entrance.
Front entrance.
LVP on all of it.
Yep.
So paint the cabinets. Would you do one color, top and bottom, or would you do a different color, Ron? I've seen people doing white and gray.
I'll just stick with one color.
One color?
Keep it simple.
I would too.
These are nice cabinets, so.
Yeah, they are, bro.
I mean, good and solid.
Real wood. Custom cabinets, Roundup, you can see how the cabinet has a box here, but up here it goes back. Custom cabinet. Do not get rid of custom cabinets. Would you say, Ron?
Yeah, that's nice.
Do not get rid of these joints. I've seen people do it, man. They regret it every time.
And then you lose cabinet space as well. Cabinets that don't have as much space.
Yeah.
Some of the lower cabinets. One thing I don't like is we can't do a
Microwave.
microwave. Yeah, but,
Man, that'd be all right. 210 grand or 215, whatever.
yeah.
They'll be happy. What we doing with this heating in there, Ron?
New indoor outdoor gas unit.
What about the hot water heater?
Hot water heater's good.
Looks great to me.
Yeah.
I'm glad. And in this bathroom, do we have to do anything?
Flooring. Paint those cabinets as well. And,
That's it.
yeah, new top.
Sheet rock it up. All right. Wow. This is a simple one right here, Ron. How many of these do you see like this?
Not too often.
The last one you put how much into?
That was what? 50? 45, 50?
Good Lord. We got the master. Very stuffy in here. You're gonna replace this?
So I put a light fixture, regular light fixture.
Oh, put it right. Okay, whatever.
This is the master. We can put a ceiling fan in the master. Though.
Yeah.
We'll just put regular light fixtures in.
I would say put a ceiling fan with $100.
Yeah.
Anything special in the bathroom?
Probably paint the tub or resurface the tub.
Okay.
New flooring, paint, hardware.
Simple job.
Countertop available.
You think you might have to do this maybe?
Possibly it's a little nasty.
We'll see what the guy say.
Yeah, see what you got off resurface.
He might resurface that too. All this flooring is so nasty. I feel bad someone lived in here like that. What do you think in here? Same thing in here, Ron?
Same thing, yep. That's sheet valve for flooring. I won't put down tile or anything like that.
Car of the day. Is this easy to fix right here?
It's easy to fix, but it's difficult to match that texture.
Every time I do that, I have to do the whole ceiling.
The entire ceiling.
See, this texture is hard to match whenever you got that
Replacing the roof?
sticky stuff.
And have one there, right?
Another problem in the ceiling? Oh,
Yeah, one right here.
what's this from?
Roof leak.
Usually it gets bright. Is it active, you think? Or they fixed it?
I think it's fixed.
We gotta definitely make sure the flooring guys put some nails in it or screws in this floor so it won't squeak. What do you think to do this ceiling, Ron? They look like they have gloss on the ceiling.
Yeah.
Do you do that?
This entire bedroom is gloss. Wall, ceiling. We use flat ceilings. We don't flat.
So total amount, I mean, there's nothing else to really go over, Ron. What is the amount to get out of here?
The goal is 20 to, what did we say, 20, 25?
You get out of here?
Yeah.
20 to 25 round up. You see that one?
You want to keep
This
that?
is a
What's that?
very slow one.
Oh, you want to open the window? That window
Quick
was
flip
broken.
round up. Quick
This-
flip.
Yeah, so you might have a hard time keeping that one up. I don't think it stays up.
4-bedroom. So much junk in here. Good Lord.
They trying to
You think this one will take, Ron?
How
Good Lord, yeah.
Yeah, that's been 30 days.
30 days.
Yeah.
So I like to keep y'all posted as we get closer to starting construction on this one. Not too much to construct, really. All right, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, and comment. I want to know, what do you think about this house? What would you do to this property? This is just a beautiful view here. Share this stuff with other investors that are getting in the business. Roundup. It's Kris Haskins, realestateroundup.com. Peace.